Hi, my name is Erin LaGrassa from Money Matters AZ, and I'm going to show you how to create an estimate, or quote rather. Click the plus menu at the top right-hand corner. Under Customers, click Estimate. I'll select my customer. I like to select an expiration date so that it creates a sense of urgency on the customer's end. I will select the product or service over here, and in the description I can write 1955 Chevy Impala, sold for $25,000, and click Save and Send. I can edit the body or the subject of the email here. This is what my customer will see. What I want to make sure to do in the email is say, please reply with an approval. That way you always have a digital copy of their approval. Send and close. Now, when he approves that estimate, click Estimate. Click the icon at the top left, and I can find the estimate that I created. I'm going to mark it from pending to accepted by Tom, the date that he accepted it, and I'm going to click Save. Now, he paid a 50% deposit, so I'm going to create an invoice for just 50% of the total. Create invoice. Now you'll see it auto-populates the 50% of $25,000, and I can click Save and Send. And send and close. That's how you create an estimate. Thank you.